Today I'm going to show you how to book iPad keyboards that are held in the library. You're going to go to Kix Learns. Under Kix Online Teachers, select Booking Calendars on Campus and then log in using your regular login credentials. Once here on the left-hand side, you're going to scroll down to select either iPad keyboards A, B, or C. Let's say you want the keyboards for the 18th of October. You can either double click on there or click Add. Under Title, put the year that wants to hold these keyboards, the start date and time, and the end date and time. You can also, if you want to repeat this event, go to Reoccurrence, select that box, select Weekly, as keyboards are only supposed to be held 1 week at a time, and select an end by date. If you do not select an end by date, the calendar will just automatically assume that you want the keyboards forever, and we would have to go in and manually fix that. So please make sure if you do select reoccurrence that you select an end date and click Save. And as you can see, the booking has been made, so it's very simple. There are 20 keyboards in a box, so once you make a booking for one either A, B, or C, you will get 20 keyboards automatically. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please contact me if you need any help or have any questions.